Welcome to Rig Video Tutorials. This is a quick video tutorial on how to view your most recent jobs. Once you've logged in, you will notice the View Recent Jobs List shortcut in the Overview box. When clicked, all your recent jobs will appear in a pop-up window. Individual job forms can be downloaded by clicking on the down arrow. The job list will download in PDF format, which you can open and view. A RAMS report can also be downloaded and opened in PDF format. All assets within a job can be viewed by clicking on the View arrow on the right. The results will appear in the Asset Register. I hope you found this helpful, but if you are still unsure or have a problem, please contact rig@ranger.com.au.